Students, we are here with the chapter Understanding Elementary Shape, and we are going to discuss today exercise 5.2, which is related to the direction based question today. In the last class, if you remember, we have discussed the questions which were related to clock based, and I have discussed question number 1, 2, 5, and 7. Okay, 1, 2, 5, and 7 in our last class only. Today we will be discussing more about the questions related to direction. So before I move to that one, I want to take some examples of it. Okay. Now look at here, beta. Okay. Now students, you all know that we have 4 directions. Okay. East, west, north, and south. So let's understand now. East, west, north, and south. Fine. Now always remember, when you talk about east, west, north, and south, all the directions have 4 parts. Altogether they have 4 parts now. So when you talk about these 2 parts, you will have 90-degree angle between them. When you have south and east, again you will have 90-degree angle between them. When you have west and south, again you have 90-degree angle between them. Again, when you have west and north, you will have angle 90-degree between them. So each between 2 of the directions, you will have always 90-degree angle between them. Now, you must be knowing we have total 4 direction. It means we have total 4 parts. So when you talk about 4 parts, always understand, out of 4 parts, when you take only 1 part, you call it 1/4. Okay, out of 4 parts, 1 part is covered, so you will call it 1/4. Now, when you talk about, when you take 2 parts, when you take 2 parts out of 4, you will have 2 out of 4. So you will be calling it 2/4. 2/4 means you can also call it 1/2. Fine. Now move on to third thing. Third thing means when you take 3 parts out of 4, you will always take 3 parts out of 4. It will give you 3/4. And 3/4 का मतलब यहाँ पर you have taken 3/4 now. And now 3/4 की जगह अगर हम 4 parts लेते हैं बेटा, then it will become 4/4. And 4/4 का मतलब क्या होता है? You have total 1 full revolution. So remember, if you are talking about 1 part, 1/4. If you talk about 2 part, 2/4. If you talk about 3 parts, it will give you 3/4. If you take all 4 parts, it means you are talking about 4/4. ठीक है? And 4/4 का मतलब होता है बेटा that you are talking about 1 full revolution. Okay, so this is one thing. Now I want to tell you one more thing here. Always remember, when you talk about 1/4, you are talking about only 90-degree. Okay, 2 part, you are taking 1 part out of 4, it means you are talking about 90-degree. When you have 2/4, 2/4 means you are talking about 180-degree, because 92 is 80. Okay, now 92 is 80 because you are taking 2 parts out of 4. Now when you take 3 parts out of 4, that means you are talking about 93 is 270. And at the last, if you take 4 parts out of 4, you will talk about 4/4, which will give you 360-degree. It means 1/4 means 1 right angle. 2/4 means 2 right angle. 3/4 means 3 right angle. And 4/4 means 4 right angle. 4 right angle means you are talking about 360-degree. I hope till here it is clear to you all. Please reply yes or no. In the chat box, please reply yes or no, beta. Okay, thank you very much. Now, I want to tell you one more thing. What I want to tell you, what is clockwise and anti-clockwise. When we were using the clock, it was very easy to understand what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise. But when you talk about direction, how to understand clockwise and anti-clockwise. When you talk about clockwise, you are moving from north, east, south, west. Okay, like this. North to east, east to south, south to west, and west to north. This is called clockwise. When you talk about anti-clockwise, you are moving from north to west, west to south, south to east, and east to north. This is called anti-clockwise. Okay, so always remember, when you talk about clockwise, you are moving north, east, south, west. When you talk about anti-clockwise, you are moving north, west, south, east. I hope till here everybody has understood. If yes, please reply yes. Okay. So now students, let's discuss one question. I'll give you three pattern of the question for the same way and you will understand very properly. Now look at here. Suppose the question comes, सबसे पहले आप याद रखिए कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा बेटा आपको ये डायरेक्शन चार्ट बनाना is extremely important. First thing. Now this is east, west, north, south. Do not write it down this part wrong. Why? Because अगर आपका डायरेक्शन रॉन्ग होता है बेटा तो आपका क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन भी रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Now move on to the second part. Suppose your question says कि आपको नॉर्थ से स्टार्ट करना है एंड आपको बताना है हाउ मेनी राइट एंगल यू कवर. How many right angle you cover? Please listen the question very carefully. How many right angles you cover if you start from north and you reach till south clockwise? Okay, now look at here. You will start from north, you will reach till south clockwise. Now you have to tell how many right angles you have covered. You tell me now, how many right angles can you find here? Very correct, beta. Very correct. You are covering two right angles. How two right angles? Look at here. This is the first portion which you have covered, and this is the second portion you have covered. This is one right angle, and this is one right angle. So it means you are covering two right angles at the same time when you are moving from north direction to south direction clockwise. Okay. Let's discuss one more question related to it. Suppose I'll give you a question that you are moving anti-clockwise north to east. How many right angles you cover? Now look at here. Anti-clockwise means this direction. How much north to east? So north to east you are coming here. Now you have reached to north to east. Now it's anti-clockwise also. Now cover how many right angles you have done. See this? 1, 2, and 3. So we have covered total 3 right angles at the same time. So that means you should understand always you have to take care of clockwise and anti-clockwise this thing. You have to take care of how many portions you are covering because one portion means one right angle. ठीक है, 2 portion means 2 right angle, 3 portion means 3 right angle. Now let's move to the different kind of question. ठीक है, different kind of question I am telling you now. Suppose आपका question आपसे ये पूछता है कि अगर आप नॉर्थ से ईस्ट जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, क्लॉकवाइज या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, तो कितना फ्रैक्शन कवर किया आपने. किसी किसी क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछा जाएगा हाउ मच फ्रैक्शन यू आर कवरिंग. व्हाट विल यू डू इन दैट केस? सपोज क्वेश्चन आया आपका कि आपने नॉर्थ से अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी क्लॉकवाइज एंड यू आर मूविंग टिल वेस्ट. यू हैव स्टार्टेड क्लॉकवाइज नॉर्थ टू वेस्ट. how much fraction you are covering. How will you tell me? How much fraction? Now look at here. Out of 4 part, 1 part, 2 part, and 3 part. Total 3 parts are covered out of 4 parts. That means you have covered 3/4 of the fraction. Yes, very good. You have understood very properly, beta. Okay, so answer will be 3/4 of the fraction. Suppose I will give you a different question now. What is the different question? Now look at here. Suppose if I will tell you, you start your journey from north and you are going till south anti-clockwise, how much fraction you cover? Now look at here. Started from north, coming to south anti-clockwise. Can you please tell me now how much portion? Yes, absolutely right. Out of 4, you have covered 2 portions. It means 2 out of 4. So बेटा हम 2 out of 4 को एक और चीज लिखते हैं. क्या लिखते हैं? We can also write it down half. Why we write it down half? Because this is full complete 4 portion और आप इसके 2 portion cover कर रहे हैं. So you can also call it half. ठीक है? Now I want to tell you one more thing. Always remember बेटा, अगर आपसे बोला जाए you have to complete one full revolution. One full revolution का मतलब होता है complete angle. आपने जहां से शुरू किया आप वहीं आ जाएंगे. It means if I will tell you that you have to start from north and you have to take one full revolution, that means you will start from north and you will come back to north only, whether you do it clockwise or whether you do it anti-clockwise. In both the cases, you will get the same direction where you have started from. Now, I want to ask a question. Please reply to me. Suppose you have started your journey from west. Listen once again. You have started your journey from west and you are moving anti-clockwise and you have completed one full revolution. One full revolution. Can you please tell me where will you reach? Very good. Absolutely right. Your answer is should be west. Why west? Because you are talking about one full revolution. One full revolution का मतलब होता है आपने जहां से शुरू किया था आप वहीं आ गए और आप कहां से शुरू किया था वेस्ट में तो आप आओगे कहां पर वेस्ट में. So that means your answer will be west only. Now one more question. If you have started your journey from east and you are doing anti-clockwise rotation, can you please tell me after one full rotation where will you reach? Started from east this time. Yes, absolutely right. It's east only. Correct answer. You will reach on east only. Fine. Now, I want to discuss one more thing. If I will not tell you one, if I will not tell you half, if I will simply give it to you 1.5. अगर आपको मैंने सिंपली बोला आपको 1.5 मूव करना है, ठीक है, तब आप क्या करेंगे? आप याद रखिए जब आपको बोला जाए 1.5 करना है और अगर आपको कोई सी डायरेक्शन दे दी जाए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेलिंग यू, आपको बोला गया आपको स्टार्ट करना है नॉर्थ से, ठीक है, क्लॉकवाइज 1.5, वेयर विल यू रीच? आपसे पूछा जाएगा वेयर विल यू रीच, हाउ विल यू डू? यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, सपोज 1 फुल रिवॉल्यूशन क्लॉकवाइज. देखो एक कंप्लीट हो गया, जैसे एक कंप्लीट हुआ आप दोबारा नॉर्थ पे आ गए, ठीक है. अब आपसे बोल रहा है आपको हाफ और चाहिए. हाफ और चाहिए मतलब अब आप दोबारा से जर्नी स्टार्ट करेंगे अपनी और ये आप आ जाएंगे साउथ में. यस, तो पहले आप कंप्लीट करेंगे 1, फिर आप कंप्लीट करेंगे हाफ, तो हो जाएगा 1.5. ठीक है. So this will be your answer for this particular question, that you will reach on south direction. I hope you are getting. Some of the students are asking that, ma'am, do we write in exam 2/4 or 1/2? Beta 2/4 or 1/2 both are same. Both are same, but always write 1/2. ऑलवेज राइट 1/2. ठीक है, 1 whole 2/4 and 1 whole 1/2 both are same, but try to write down answer 1/2 in place of 2/4. ठीक है. Now Anurag is asking ma'am what is zero angle. Zero angle का मतलब होता है बेटा when you talk about the rays are not open only, और कंप्लीट का मतलब होता है कि रेज ओपन होकर के दोबारा फिर से बंद हो जाती हैं, उसको कहते हैं कंप्लीट एंगल. तो जब ओपन ही नहीं हुआ तब हुआ आपका जीरो, और जब ओपन होकर के दोबारा क्लोज हो गया देन इट इज टेलिंग हियर कंप्लीट एंगल. Okay, if you write 2/4, yes it is correct, but remember you have to write 1/2 in place of that. ठीक है, if you are writing the answer in the simplest way, write it down 1/2 instead of it. But बेटा रुद्र बोला ना मैंने कि 1/2 and 2/4 दोनों लिख सकते हो आप, बट ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर होगा 1/2. बट 2/4 भी गलत नहीं है, दैट ओनली आई एम टेलिंग. नाउ मूव ऑन टू दिस वन. No, Gauri is telling ma'am she wants to understand one more time. So always remember when you talk about 1.5, 1.5 का मतलब होता है बेटा 1.5. तो जब आपसे बोला गया 1 full revolution, it means you will started from north, आपने नॉर्थ से शुरू किया और आप दोबारा नॉर्थ में आ गए. 1 कंप्लीट कर लिया आपने, 1 कंप्लीट करके आप दोबारा नॉर्थ में पहुंच गए, लेकिन आपको इसने बोला कि आपको अभी हाफ और करना है, तो अब आपने फिर से स्टार्ट किया नॉर्थ से ही और आप यहाँ पर आ गए साउथ पे. तो 1.5 that will be called as 1.5. You are reaching on south. Now Shaurya is asking from me, ma'am, what is the difference between right angle and reflex angle? बेटा right angle का मतलब हुआ 90 डिग्री और reflex angle का मतलब हुआ 270 डिग्री. एग्जाम्पल के लिए आई एम शोइंग इट टू यू राइट नाउ, लुक एट हियर. इसी डायग्राम से समझ आते हैं, आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. देखो अगर हम बात करें कि आपका नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, कोई आदमी है आपका जो नॉर्थ से शुरू किया उसने और वो साउथ ईस्ट तक गया. किसी पर्सन ने अगर नॉर्थ से अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी और वो साउथ यहाँ पर सॉरी ईस्ट तक गया, that means you are talking about right angle. ठीक है, got it शौर्या. लेकिन अगर कोई पर्सन है जिसने नॉर्थ से अपनी जर्नी शुरू करी और वो साउथ तक गया, this means the person is moving to straight angle. वो पर्सन कहाँ तक गया? स्ट्रेट एंगल तक. लेकिन अगर किसी पर्सन ने अपनी जर्नी करी नॉर्थ से और वो पहुंचा वेस्ट तक, ठीक है, या तो वेस्ट तक पहुंच गया या वेस्ट के पहले ही जाके यहाँ कहीं पे रुक गया या यहाँ कहीं पे रुक गया या यहाँ कहीं पे रुक गया या यहाँ रुक गया या यहाँ रुक गया या यहाँ रुक गया, यहाँ पर वो कहीं पर भी रुकेगा, दैट मीन्स यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. मोर देन 180 लेस देन 360 विल बी नोन एज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. फाइन, बट याद रखिए इसको इसकी जगह पर इसको मत कवर कर देना, ये फिर से राइट बन जाएगा. अदरवाइज आपको याद करना यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक will be called as reflex. This also you can take it till here also if you want it. So this is reflex angle. I hope you have got it. Yes Shaurya, thank you very much that you have understood. Okay, so this was all about the questions related to direction based. What is clockwise, what is anti-clockwise, what is 1 revolution, what is 1.5 revolution, what is fraction, what is right angle, 2 right angles, 3 right angles. We have covered everything in this video. But remember, the questions related to this exercise we have covered on another video which I will upload it today itself. So please complete your NCERT exercise 5.2 on your fair copy.